the freebies here are very important. We will provide your transportation to the space station if you do a project associated with space station. We will provide the resources on board from the standpoint of physical space, astronaut time if you need that, power, data, whatever. So it is such an incredible opportunity. You still have to pay for your hardware. You still probably want to get with an implementation partner and help them with, have them help you with your integration. But my goodness, where else are you going to find an opportunity to get into space, to do your research, you know, like it is today? So please take advantage of it. The last thing I was going to leave you with was just a place to get some additional information, including the researcher guides that Christine alluded to. If you go to nasa.gov/ISS-science, that's nasa.gov/ISS, like International Space Station, -science. That is our research and technology page, NASA research and technology page. And we can also make sure you get the one for the National Lab as well, even though we do have a link off of that page. But there's a lot of stuff there, so it may be difficult to find. So thank you for having us here today. Appreciate it.